If you're in a car accident and it's not clear who was at fault, it's a good time to hire an attorney. Great to catch up with Catherine Stone, attorney with Injury Florida Law Firm. Always good to see you and have you in studio.
Yes, I love coming here. It's my favorite part of the day.
Thank you, thank you. And we learned so much from you, like we were just talking off air as we're getting into this segment. And we're talking about who's at fault. Immediately what pops into my mind is, I've always heard Florida is a no-fault state, but that's not the fault we're talking about.
Correct. So no fault refers to your personal injury protection benefits on your personal auto insurance policy, meaning that you can apply for those benefits regardless if you're at fault. And so, yes, a lot of times people will get confused with, well, Florida's a no-fault state, so I get involved in an accident. Why are they talking about my negligence or my percentage of negligence as to who caused the crash?
I see, okay.
And it's different. So no fault has to strictly do with your personal injury protection, or what we call, you often hear as PIP benefits. And that's typically a $10,000 policy limit on your policy that covers your injuries.
I see.
And that is different, though, when you're going after someone else's insurance policy under what's called the bodily injury portion. In 2023...
So there's been a change.
There's been a change.
That's why it's important for this.
So we used to have comparative negligence in the state of Florida. Now we have a modified negligence in the state, which means that if you are found more than 50% responsible for the accident, you are no longer entitled to that other person's bodily injury policy.
Interesting.
So it used to be that you could be found 80% responsible for the accident and still recover possibly 20% from the other driver's insurance. That's no longer the case. And so what's happened now is we see a lot more of 50-50, we're going to call this person 50% responsible, we're going to call this other person 50% responsible.
To have to pay less.
To have to pay less. But also, again, this is where getting an attorney could potentially help you, is, you know, the discovery part of maybe hiring someone to go out and interview businesses that have surveillance cameras, you know, trying to find witnesses and contact witnesses that may be reflected on the police report. Because if it's a question as to liability or who caused the accident, then you really need to get somebody involved on your side as soon as possible.
Because, correct me if I'm wrong, but everybody now is fighting for that little incremental percentage change in who was at fault.
Yes.
And
so
that's right.
It has definitely affected, you know, when we get cases, and, you know, if the officer, which just because an officer deems you at fault does not necessarily mean that the insurance company will find you at fault. Doesn't help,
sure.
But there are ways to potentially get around that. So
again, is it with the additional footage, the investigation,
correct,
the procedural things done, the witnesses that they may have
correct,
talked to, a number of things.
A number of things. So, for instance, I could have my private investigator go out and knock on businesses' doors and say, there was a crash, you know, last week. Do you happen to have surveillance footage? Would you assist with us?
See?
Sometimes they won't, but if we know that they have a camera, then we could maybe potentially subpoena those businesses.
Definitely need those resources, and you can help. So we're going to give our viewers the information there. You see it, injuryfloridalawfirm.com. Great information as always. Thanks for talking with us.